Hi there! In this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can transfer XRP from Kraken to Ledger Flex. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So yeah, first you will open your Kraken app of course, and once you're on your Kraken, you will have to log in and then tap funding, which you can find from the bottom menu, and then you will tap withdraw, and then you will select XRP and tap add withdrawal address and name it Ledger Flex. Enter the Ledger Flex XRP address exactly, copy from your device, and then you will enter the destination tag from Ledger Flex. XRP requires this, by the way, and then you will enter the amount to transfer. Tap review withdrawal and check address, tag, and fees, and then you will tap withdraw and complete 2FA confirmation. Wait for network confirmations, then verify the XRP in your Ledger Flex wallet. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.